Yep.
He's not doing anything. Hold on. Fine. Oh. Restart it. Come.
Otherwise she just stares at it.
Yes. Okay, on yourself. Okay. Okay. Wow. Grab on your mouth. Bring it back. Good girl. Okay, you got it?
Yeah, keep on going.
Okay, Dee. One more time. Bring. Bring it back. Yay! Yay! Good girl. Good girl. One more time. Bring. Okay, grab her in your mouth. Yep. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
This is so cute.
You want me to do it one more time?
Yeah, just keep on playing with it.
Oh, in the hallway.
No, wait, no, we got lighting here.
Okay. Good girl.
Pet her belly, like rubber belly. She loves that. I swear to God, this cat was a dog. Okay. Now, set up the ball.
Okay, grab it. No, don't hit yourself.
Please.
Grab it. Grab her teeth. Good girl.
Pet her.
Good girl.
I still have to put this on YouTube.
Okay, ready? Go! Bring back. Bring back the ball. Good girl. Good girl.
Yeah, she's actually cute when I'm not dealing with her.
Okay, ready? Down. Down.
Mhm.
Good girl. Up. Come on up. 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 Fine. Good go. Okay. Grab it. No. You didn't do it right. Fetch. Bring back. To the dog. Okay.
That's not fair. You're tricking me too.
Okay. Grab it, return it, retrieve it. No, that's not how you retrieve it.
Okay, I think we're good.
We can do another one, right?
Okay, stop
With
it.
a string.
See me. She's good. The cat that fetches.